Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. My name is CA Vishal Thakkar and I am your friend and finance guru, back again with an interesting topic of discussion. So friends, today's topic of discussion is a book review. Yes, we all know this guy, Robert Kiyosaki, best known for writing the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad way back in 1997, where he said your car is not an asset, your house is not an asset, and it created quite an uproar. But I'm not here to talk about his book Rich Dad Poor Dad. I am going to talk about his book which approximately came out 9 years after his first big book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, and this book is called Increase Your Financial IQ. So ladies and gentlemen, I picked this book up recently and it came out in 2008. And friends, the interesting part about this book is that the foreword of this book is given by the current president of United States of America, Donald J. Trump. He happens to be a personal friend of Robert Kiyosaki and they have also co-authored a book together. So talking about this book challenges your norm, saying that, hey, does money make you rich? It's not the money that makes you rich, but it's your ability or your financial IQ that makes you rich, because it's you who is instrumental in becoming rich or generating enough money to be calling yourself rich enough. So this book has 10 chapters and very beautifully written. It has the introduction which says, does money make you rich? Then we go on to understand what is financial intelligence in chapter 1. In chapter 2, he talks about 5 types of financial IQs, wherein chapter 3 says making more money. That's the first financial IQ. Protecting your money, which is your second financial IQ. Budgeting your money is the third financial IQ. Leveraging your money, that means putting it to work so that it can generate more money for you, is the fourth financial IQ. And improving your financial information, that's your fifth financial IQ. Yes, these are the first 7 chapters. The 8th chapter talks about integrity of money, that integrity is most important when you make money. The 9th chapter gives you the secrets of developing your financial genius, and 10th chapter tells you how to practically do it. It's a very good read. It's about sub 200 page book, very interesting book. Anyone who believes in the philosophy of wealth generation must read this book, because this book contains all the secrets that can increase your financial IQ, make you a financial genius, and become a money generating machine. So all of those you guys who want to become rich, this book is available for you. You can pick it up from a bookstore nearby, or you can read the e-version of the book. And after reading, I'll tell you what you have to do. You have to apply the principles mentioned in the book, and you also have to write to me in the comment section that how this book benefited to you and how this video benefited to you, the fact that I guided you to read this book, and how can we take our discussion of wealth generation forward. Because let me honestly tell you something, guys, this book has benefited me a lot. And I am quite inspired by the thought philosophy of this author, and I have been following him for last 25 years. So friends, if you really think that financial IQ can make a difference to your life, take action today. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to our channel today, and don't forget to press that bell button. Our channel, Finance Tube.